This week, Spirit AeroSystems made headlines not for a new contract or breakthrough in manufacturing, but for a dire financial warning. One of the largest suppliers to both Boeing and Airbus has announced severe financial challenges, casting doubt on its ability to survive. With $4 billion in debt, Spirit has acknowledged substantial doubt about its ability to remain operational without significant external help. But what does this mean for the aviation industry? Could the collapse of Spirit, a crucial supplier for both Airbus and Boeing, have lasting ramifications? Or will these aerospace giants, or even the U.S. government, step in to prevent a total disruption?
Like, subscribe, and share.
The sponsor of today's video is Intuitive.me, boosting both your personal and business development. Find out more by clicking the link in the description. Now back to the video. The financial reality of Spirit AeroSystems. Spirit reported $477 million in losses this quarter, up nearly 100% from last year, with liquidity issues so pressing that the company has struggled to meet daily production costs. Spirit currently has only $217 million in cash available, and much of it has been advanced from Boeing to keep production moving. CEO Pat Shanahan has implemented urgent cost-cutting measures, including a hiring freeze, travel restrictions, and furloughs affecting 700 employees. But the question is, can Spirit maintain stability long enough for its acquisition by Boeing to finalize? Ramifications of a collapse. As one of the main suppliers of fuselage components, Spirit AeroSystems is deeply embedded in the production lines of Boeing's 737 MAX and Airbus's A220 programs. A disruption in Spirit's production could mean delays for both manufacturers, which would create further ripple effects across the industry, hitting airlines and leasing companies worldwide. Boeing itself is already dealing with $57 billion in debt and production halts from labor strikes, raising doubts about its ability to cover Spirit's financial shortfall while trying to resolve its own issues. So, what happens if Spirit collapses before Boeing's acquisition is finalized? The results could be catastrophic. Boeing, already stretched thin financially, may have no choice but to intervene, potentially risking its own stability. Airbus, which relies on Spirit for certain parts of its A220 program, could also face setbacks. Would these aerospace giants be able to step in with enough funding to save Spirit, or would a U.S. government bailout be needed? Potential solutions: government bailout or manufacturer intervention? Given the scale of Spirit's contributions to both Boeing and Airbus's supply chains, a government bailout could be on the table. If Spirit's collapse disrupts both domestic and international manufacturing operations, the industry could face delays that impact airlines and travelers across the globe. Alternatively, Boeing and Airbus may need to consider stepping in before the finalization of the acquisition, providing a rescue package or interim financing to keep Spirit stable in the short term. However, this approach comes with its own set of risks. Boeing's financial woes are already significant, with 17,000 layoffs planned to cut costs. Adding Spirit's debt to its own could be an unmanageable burden, ultimately putting both companies at risk. Spirit AeroSystems' announcement has introduced a new level of uncertainty in the aviation industry. Will Boeing and Airbus have to take on even more debt to prevent Spirit from collapsing? Or will the U.S. government be forced to step in to maintain stability? This development raises critical questions. What are the long-term consequences if Spirit goes under? And is this all just another temporary fix in an industry already burdened with unresolved issues? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in aviation.
Like, subscribe, and share.